number 2 from Talaga Elementary School, Mark Richard and Faith Altia.
Go Faith! Go Richard!
And our couple number 3 from St. John Hill Academy, Daryl Onin and Erich Jerome.
Go, courtesy. Go, bow, and...
Again, this is the pre-performance.
Oh, jive tayo, jive.
Our first group,
Jive, jive, jive.
Music Maestro.